Good morning and welcome back to our kitchen because we are making dahi mirchi with some paneer sauté for our chapatis. We have our mirchis and our paneer cut. So, I was feeling a little low today and I thought, what's a better reason than this to dance? What else can motivate me? So, dancing basically cheers me up. So, I thought this would be a good way. No, I don't like this video. And also, if you have watched this video, then I've talked about the color theory and what it does to your brain. It's not just about the food, the color of food we eat, but it's also the color we wear. So, to cheer me up, I wore a little funky color so that my mood brightens up. But we're also going to be dancing, which is my favorite part. So we'll be playing some dance workouts here and we'll be dancing. So it's basically not dance, it's basically workouts, but it is dance. If you know, you know. But trust me, it's going to be beautiful. It'll take some time to set this up. So I really hope I don't get any copyrights on this, but we'll try our best. It takes a lot of time, guys. That's the only problem. You too. It's strawberry season again, and we are about to make. Have you watched this video? This week. We're making. Have you watched this video yet? If not, go and watch right now. Go. That's me, guys. We already have the dance workouts here. We only like hers because she has Bollywood songs. I wish somebody did with Kannada songs the same way. It would be so much more cool. It's just ads. I'm not giving you free promotion. So there's basically a mirror in front of me. I have this showcase in front of me and I can literally see whatever is happening on TV. So it's basically like I can dance. If you are ever demotivated, the only advice that I can give you is go and dance. Go and dance. This is so fun. I really wish you all could do this. Please go and do this. And I'm busy right now, so I'll see you later. Are you kidding me? It already. Bro, it got over so soon. She's cooling down. But this is so cute. I really wish you all could do this as well. Please go and do this right now. It got over so soon. Anyways, I think I'll do another one and that will be it. See, this is the kind of workouts I like to do. Dance workouts. So cute. You won't even know that you're working out. This is basically not like working out, it's like having fun. से लेता हूँ तेरा ही नाम लेता हूँ ये तूने क्या किया. Okay, bye.